Hello, this is Ellen Goldberg with a moment of tarot from the School of Oracles. In this segment, we're going to take a look at the Strength card. This card is strength in a very interesting way because it is not the woman taming the lion that is the strength. It's their mutual interaction and their union that is the strength. You would have to look carefully at the drawing, but you'll see that there is a wreath of roses, and it encircles both of them. Part of it is around her waist, and part of it is around the lion's neck. This card shows us how we tame our animal nature, because if we don't tame it, it will eat us alive. Its Hebrew letter is Tet. And this is the first of three very particular letters in the Hebrew alphabet. They are called the serpent letters. In fact, Tet means snake. But the snake that they're referring to here is the same serpent energy that rises up the kundalini. This card is ruled by the sign of Leo, and Leo rules the spine, where the kundalini rises. In Kabbalah, its intelligence is the secret of all magical activities. What secret is that? It's the taming of our inner animal nature through the correct use of suggestion to the subconscious. Because we don't repress it, we don't kill it off, we tame it, we love it, we embrace it, and we allow it to express itself so that it can feel free. You'll see that above her head there is a lemniscate or infinity sign. We've only seen this one other place in the tarot so far, over the head of the magician. It shows that she is female magic where he is male magic. He is the magic of how to use the conscious mind correctly, and she is the magic of how to interact with the subconscious correctly. And it is mostly through the laws of suggestion. That red lion is an alchemical symbol for the completion of the great work of transformation, of self-realization, of the inner marriage. It is called in alchemy oftentimes the taming of the red lion. So this is an alchemical card. This shows us the way to self-realization. Learn how to give suggestions. Learn how to use visualization because images are the primary language of the subconscious. Notice that she's dressed in white. There's a purity to her. There's something very much like the Empress about her. When you have this card in a reading, and it is dignified or in its highest polarity, it will show that you can give suggestion to the subconscious properly. That you can tame the nature, or that you have the strength to go through a difficult time and to act with courage and fortitude. It might even foreshadow the alchemical union, or that you're entering into the rubato or red stage of alchemy and taming your own inner lion. When it's in its lower polarity, the lion has the upper hand and things may be running wild. And you may not find the strength in a difficult time. You may not know how to work with the subconscious. Meditate on this card by allowing yourself to simply gaze at it. Learn how to kindly suggest to yourself through repetition what it is as if it were already true that you wish to have as your way of being in the world. And that's the way you'll achieve it.